Dietary fiber. Pears are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, prevents constipation, and promotes overall digestive health. Nutrient-rich. They are a good source of vitamins C and K, as well as various minerals such as potassium, copper, and manganese, which are essential for maintaining overall health. Antioxidants. Pears contain antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, thereby reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain cancers. Hydration. With their high water content, pears can help keep you hydrated, which is important for various bodily functions, including maintaining skin health and regulating body temperature. Weight management. Due to their low-calorie and high-fiber content, pears can be a satisfying snack option that can aid in weight management by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. Heart health. The potassium content in pears helps regulate blood pressure and promote cardiovascular health by reducing the risk of stroke and heart disease. Blood sugar regulation. The fiber in pears slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Bone health. Pears contain vitamin K, which is important for bone health as it helps in the absorption of calcium and reduces the risk of osteoporosis. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some compounds found in pears exhibit anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Digestive health. The fiber content in pears promotes regular bowel movements and prevents digestive issues like constipation, bloating, and gas. These are just a few of the many health benefits that pears offer when consumed as part of a balanced diet.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.